This edamame hummus is silky, impossibly smooth, and packed with plant protein. The freshest, most vibrant green dip you'll make all summer long. You blend shelled edamame with creamy chickpeas, tahini, garlic, and fresh lime, plus a little toasted sesame oil for a nutty, savory dip. Add the cooked edamame, chickpeas, tahini, garlic, and a good squeeze of lime juice to your blender. Blend it until completely smooth, streaming in the olive oil and the splash of water as it whips up. Add a little more water bit by bit until it's exactly as light and creamy as you like. Spoon it into a shallow bowl, drag a swirl across the top, and shower it with black sesame, spring onion, and fresh microgreens. Serve it with cucumber, crackers, and nori. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.